Your Metal Muncher will arrive at your facility complete with hydraulic oil and ready to operate. Upon the machine's arrival, open the electrical box and remove and study the parts and operating manual. The oil cap, Allen wrenches, coupling nut wrench, and parts and operating manual are stored in the electrical box for shipment. Please take note of all safety decals on machine. Double check that your facility's wiring is in compliance with Metal Muncher's wiring, and then have a qualified electrician wire your machine per local electrical code. Always disconnect power supply before performing any maintenance or making adjustments. Release the limit switch stroke adjustment collar from shipping position. Check the pump rotation direction. Move the rear control handle. If there's no movement, pump is running backwards. Turn the machine off immediately. Failure to do so could damage the pump. Change the pump direction immediately. Check all hardware and tighten bolts if necessary. Check all hydraulic lines and connections. Never use your hands to check for suspected hydraulic leaks. If hydraulic fluid penetrates the skin, seek immediate medical attention. Blade clearances have been preset at the factory. The upper and lower flat bar shear blades have 4 cutting edges and are interchangeable with one another. To achieve the cleanest, most precise cut, clamp the hold down against the material. Always keep the hold down against material to at least a slip fit or tighter. Never shear material too short to fit under the hold down. To adjust the stripper, loosen the lock nuts on both sides. Adjust the stripper to allow material to pass freely beneath the stripper base. Be certain the stripper is parallel with the surface of the die holder block. Failure to do so could cause punch breakage. To install the punch and die, first select a mated punch and die. It is important to note that the die opening must always be larger than the punch. Be certain that material thickness does not exceed punch point diameter. Insert die in the die holder block and tighten securely. Clamp the die holder block to the platen. Do not fasten securely at this time so that the die holder block may be adjusted as necessary to attain proper alignment. Insert punch in coupling nut very loosely and use the jog mode to achieve alignment. Slowly jog the ram down with the punch loose in the coupling nut. Once the punch is safely into the die, shut off the machine and tighten the coupling nut securely with the coupling nut wrench provided, and check frequently during the operation. Next, tighten the die block securely, maintaining uniform clearance between punch and die. Adjust limit switch stroke adjustment collars for proper punch penetration and cylinder ram stroke. Be sure to cycle several times to recheck for proper clearance and stroke. All general lubrication points are marked with the International Lubrication symbol and are easy to locate. These points should be lubricated every 10 operating hours. The following areas are of special importance and should be lubricated as shown without fail. Bar shear cylinder clevis every 10 hours. Bar shear pivot pin every 10 hours. Bar shear trunnion every 10 hours. Bar shear gib every 5 hours. If you have questions concerning operation, consult your parts and operating manual. If something is still unclear, please contact your Metal Muncher dealer. Our many years of experience have resulted in design improvements and operating features that assure maximum production performance and operator safety. Our design incorporates the fewest possible moving parts, which keeps maintenance to a minimum. Unbeatable quality, exceptional versatility, maximum value. Metal Muncher is without a doubt the best machine for your fabrication needs. Made in the USA.